Hello friends, in this video I will be dealing with how to do fast calculation. As you all know, if we talk about any competitive exam, whether it is SBI PO, whether it is CAT exam, whether it is any interview, for that you need to give reasoning and all. If I talk about CAT, if I talk about any exam, even UPSC, you need a little bit of reasoning. And for reasoning, what you need is how to do fast calculation, how to save time, because in reasoning and mathematics the question will be solvable by everyone. That's not a problem, but the problem that is mostly there is because you will lack time. You may take time in solving those questions, and in the end you will uh, ended up in losing your chances of getting selected, because you won't be able to score good marks because you haven't attempted that much question. So how to increase fast calculation? So for this we will be dealing with our first basic, that is how to increase your addition speed. Okay, so let us deal with some example how you can increase your addition speed. For instance, if we take one example, 87 plus 24. Now how will you solve it? You may have a habit of using 7 plus 4 you can add it on, okay, then you will get answer. But how to solve fastly? In that case, if you do it by taking a double day at a time, then it will help you. For example, if you take 80 plus 20, it will be 100. I have taken double day, right? And plus 7 plus 4 will be 11. So it will be 111. So as you know, this is little bit is speed. You have a little bit speed, right? If you save this time in this way, then it will definitely help you. Let us take one more example. If I take, you will be dealing with 89 plus 97. So how you solve this? It will be very easy. If you solve 80 plus 90, 80 plus 90 will give 170. 170 plus 9 plus 7 will be 60, 16, right? So 170 plus 16 will be 186. You will be getting an answer of 186. Now let us solve little bit difficult question. Okay, if example I have taken 1714 plus 2678. Now how you solve this? In this question you only need one thing, is you have to do one thing, is you to take double digit at a time. For example, if you take double digit at a time, that is 78 plus 14, 70 plus 10 will be 80, 88 plus 4 will be 92. So in that case you have 92 here, right? 92, you return this, okay? And in 26 plus 17, that is 20 plus 10 will be 30, 37 plus 6 will be 43. So you will get an answer of 4392. Okay, now let me take one more question. This time this question will be little bit lengthy one. Okay, 4389 plus 5678 plus 7869 plus 3284 plus 3333 plus 2750 plus 5769 plus 8962 plus 7348. Now how you solve this question? In this question also you just only do one thing. You just need to solve it by taking twice this at a time. You will take the first two digit of all the numbers, okay, and you will add this. And if you add all the number, then you get an answer of 582. So in that case you will write 82 here and 5 will be carry on. Okay, now you take another two digits of the remaining number, okay, like 43 plus 56 plus 78 plus 32 plus 33 plus 27 plus 57 plus 89 plus 73. So you get an answer of 488. And if you add this 5, then you get 492. So your answer will become 49382. See how fast I solved it, right? So it only helps in increasing your speed. That is very beneficial for you. Now let me give you one homework. You will solve it and you can comment it in the inbox below. Okay, plus 3679 plus 36888 plus 4754 plus 5037. Okay, you can comment me in the inbox. Okay, comment me in the comment box. Okay, so let's see. It's a start. Okay, it's all about a start. I know it's take little bit difficult time, but you know, for starting something you have to work hard. So go on, it's just the beginning. Now next in the next video I will be dealing with many other shortcuts and all many other tricks how to do fast calculation. Okay, in subtraction also we have, in multiplication also we have, in division also we have many things. And after that we will be dealing with reasoning and mathematics concept step by step, which concept wise. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe my id and do share with all your friends. Okay, hope you will have a great time in this special time, the COVID-19 period. Okay, Stay safe, stay healthy. All the very best. Stay connected. Thank you very much.